Hey, what's going on? This is your boy B. Welcome to another episode. And on this episode, we're going to talk about the 5 benefits to steaming your beard. But before we get into it, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that bell, and please like and leave a comment. Now, with that said, let's get right into it. So, one of the things that you want to know about steaming is that there's a couple ways that you can do it. You can do it by if you go to the barber shop. I typically do that, and they have a facial steamer that will help with steaming the beard. That's one way of doing it. Another way that you can do it is you can go get your own facial steamer. Google facial steamer, and you sure pop up Amazon, Walmart. Something's going to pop up. Then the third way that you can do it is go to the dollar store. You can go get 15 of these in a pack. These shower caps. These are shower caps. 15 in a pack. It's $1. Each of these is less than 0.06 cents. I know we all can get that, right? So all you need is this. You can put it over your beard while you're in the shower, and bada boom, bada bang, 5 to 15 minutes. You have your own practical steamer. You know what I mean? If you don't want to use a trash bag, or a grocery bag, or a doggy bag, or whatever kind of bag, but you want to just get you a shower cap, then you can go ahead and use that. It's totally up to you. I'm just going to go into these benefits, all right? I don't care what tool you use. Now, the number one benefit is the reduction of breakage. What do you mean by that, B? Steam reduces breakage by increasing the moisture and aiding in better penetration of your deep treatments, which is going to lead you to a stronger, healthier beard. Number 2, coarse beard. All right, I've had issues with this. I'm sure someone else has had issues with the moisture level in their beard, but with the steam, it's going to help with you getting that moisture into your beard better. All right. Number three is growth, right? We're all looking for ways to maintain and sustain our growth levels. Well, when you are steaming your beard, it's going to increase the blood flow. When you open up the capillaries, that means you got more nutrients, more minerals, and more vitamins that are capable of getting to the follicle, thus greater opportunities for growth. All right. Number four is beard druff. All right. That is the dry skin that you see flaking underneath your beard. Fellas, it's the skin that's more important than the beard. It's the soil that's more important than the tree, okay? If your skin is healthy, your beard is happy. So with the steam, it's going to help with balancing out those moisture levels, because sometimes, your moisture levels are going up, going down, and it can get out of balance. So you need something that's going to help with rebalancing that, and that's definitely what a steamer is going to help do. Number 5, the 5th benefit is the winter blues. What do you mean by this, B? Well, some of us have experienced this, some have not. But if you live in a cold city, a cold state, a cold country, then you know what I'm talking about. That's when your beard over there looking fragile, helpless. Help me, help me. All right, this is what you want to do. You want to steam that beard. The steam is going to boost the moisture content, which is going to counteract the weathering that is affecting each beard strand. Okay, so it gets cold, and what that cold weather does, it wants to rob your beard of its moisture content. So with that steam, you're going to counteract it. You're going to make sure that that moisture is right back into each beard strand. And now you have a happier, healthier, full growing beard. All right. So I hope this helped you on your journey. Please leave your comments in the comment section. All right. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. This is your boy B. As always, we out.